Okay, so in my previous video I showed you how I attach two cabinets horizontally. Alright, now these two horizontal cabinets need to fit inside this bay. And the way that works is you need two angle bars, like so. One I've already fitted, and the second one I'm about to fit. Once you fit these bars, you can sit this cabinet on top. Now the way these bars work is depending on which cabinet you have, you will either use hole number 1 and 3 or hole number 2 and 4. And they go into here. So in this instance, they use hole number 2 and 4. This is the not so common setup. 9 out of 10 times you'll be using hole number 1 and 3. So here is the other view of the two bars I just fitted. Here is two 4 series cabinets bolted horizontally. I'm now going to pick them up and use my knee to stabilize it and slip them in, as so. Just push it gently just to get it in. Check to see how far deep I can go. About there. Okay. You'll find in here you'll have a series of holes. They will match up with the small holes in this post. You just need to work out how far forward or back. I'm not sure if you can see in there. That lines up. So it's the third hole in. Another one. This one lines up. So we should be putting 4 per side, 2 per post. So 2 on this post, and there will be 2 on the back post. This can be a bit tricky, this is why I've got this loose. So I don't tighten them all up until I've got all 4 screws in. I put all 4 in loose, and then once they're all in, then I tighten them all. That's the 4th one, so tight, tight. Always on a low torque setting, or otherwise you'll strip the thread. And repeat the process for the other side. So these are the holes on the left hand side. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Start off by simply putting one in there. Let the drill do the work. Remember, loose 3, tighten on the 4th one, and then go around tighten the rest. So this one's loose, so just a few turns just to get it in. That's the 4th one, so I will tighten that one, then go through and tighten the rest. That concludes installation. You have a sturdy fit, super tight, and will not bow because you have 2 bars underwards. The next step is just to replace the cases, which I'll show you shortly. And once I have this installed, which I have, I can just simply replace the cases. Just bear in mind, these are just covers that we remove. So they stay in place. Just put them in and lock. This is a deeper version.